Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is Saturday, the end of March, and it's sunny outside. So I'm getting outside on the Oklahoma Joes, and we're gonna smoke up a whole pork butt. I'm gonna show you how to do that from beginning to end. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, this is what we have. We have a pork butt. And it's 7 pounds, so just took it out of the bag and rinsed it off. I haven't done anything with it. So what you're going to want to do first thing, sometimes you can get these things pre-trimmed, but on the bottom there'll be a fat cap. Alright, now what we're going to want to do is go ahead and trim off as close to the meat as you can. So you want to get in there and get right down to the meat. Just like that. So get right under there, get that fat, pull it up a little bit, and pull on it as you cut. This will help you get closer to the meat. Okay, so we got it all trimmed up. That's good enough for me. This little stuff here, not a big deal. That'll all come right off in the cook, render down. So that's what we got. So now let's go ahead and season it up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and season it up. What I'm going to use today is going to be some Heath Riles pecan rub and some that's Bad Byron's butt rub. I love this stuff. It has a nice little kick too as well. So that's the two things we're using. Let's go ahead and get it seasoned up. Alright guys, we are completely seasoned up, top and bottom. I'm going to let this sit out for probably about 15-20 minutes. I'm going to show you the Oklahoma Joes and how I have it set up out there. Okay guys, here's the setup. So how I set it up is I got all these coals running this way in a nice line. I put about 10 coals or so on the far end. It's almost like the snake method. I've been using this for the past 4 or 5 smokes and use less coals and get a lot longer burn time. I got a little bit of lump mesquite back here at the top, which is starting to crackle. I'm going to throw a little bit of hickory right there and let that catch. And we'll wait till the pit gets about 225 degrees and we'll go ahead and throw our meat on. Alright, we got our pit up to temperature. We're at reached 225, got some nice clean smoke going. All we're going to do is go ahead and put that pork butt right on there just like that. And I have a probe to monitor the internal temperature. Make sure you do not hit the bone. Alright, so we're all set up. It's that easy. All we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and close the top on this thing. Just like that. And I probably won't check it for about 4 hours or something, but I got a thermometer checking it as well. So we'll see you guys in probably about 4 hours. Okay guys, it has been exactly 4 hours. We're going to open the top on this and spritz it with some apple cider vinegar. We are currently running between 225 and 250, and the internal temp of the meat is 149, so we're looking really good. See you in a second. Okay, first time checking it at all in 4 hours. Let's see what we got. Oh man, yes. That is looking beautiful. Wow, it's looking amazing. We're gonna hit it up with some apple cider vinegar. Oh yeah, it's already starting to separate. Awesome. So we're at almost 150 degrees internal temp. Once it reaches 160, we're gonna take it inside and wrap it. So probably another hour, maybe hour and a half, and we'll see you then. We're gonna drop the top, and actually I'll tell you how long it's been. See you soon. Alright guys, it's been 6 hours and there we go. Internal temp has reached 160 and I actually just checked it right before to make sure. So we're going to take this inside and wrap it up. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, this is what we have after 6.5 hours of smoking. And the juices are falling out and it looks, it's hot. Anyway, we're gonna wrap this thing up in some foil. Let's get it wrapped. All right, so there it is, wrapped. We're gonna throw it back on the pit. We'll see you out at the pit. Okay, we're back at the pit. Put it right out here. And we got our probe, and I know right where to put it. Right there in the middle. Make sure you're not touching any bone. We're good. All right, so we're gonna let this thing sit till you reach right around 200 degrees. I'll tell you how long it's been, and we'll see you then. All right, we are 13 hours in, and we finally reached the internal temperature of 200 degrees. I'm gonna take it off. Not much to see, but that's what it is. And we're gonna take it inside. We'll see you then. All right, guys, it is the next day, so that was a very long cook. Longest I've had for a pork butt. 13 hours. It's usually 8, maybe 10 hours. So question for all you barbecue people, has this happened to you before? I got it to 160, wrapped it. 194, I had about a 2-hour stall, about 2 hours, and then 195 to 196. At 196, I had another well over an hour stall. The thermometer was not on the bone or anything. I've never had that before. So comment below, has that happened to you before? And if so, what'd you do? But I just went along until it reached 200. So it did reach 200. Was tired last night, so I stuck it in the fridge overnight. I just put it in the oven at 325 for about 45 minutes just to warm it up so we can pull it. And we got it right here, so let's go ahead and take a look at it and get it pulled. Okay guys, I haven't even looked at this thing since we wrapped it yesterday and put it. I haven't even opened it up yet. So it's just a little warm. Like I said, I put it in the oven for about 45 minutes or so at 325 just to warm it up. And it smells fantastic. And oh man, it looks amazing. That's awesome. All right, still pretty hot. So I'm gonna grab a fork, see if we can get this bone out. Okay guys, so I grabbed the fork just to hold it so I can pull this bone out. I just wanna see if it comes out. Oh yeah, it comes out nice and clean. Look at that, perfect. Little piece on the end there. Ooh, look at that, oh yeah, look at that, just perfectly clean. That is awesome. You can tell this is gonna be super good. And oh man, look at the smoke. It's pretty warm. Look at the smoke on this thing. Yes! That is awesome. Let's see if it pulls apart. Oh yeah. Look at that. Just crumbled apart. All right, look at this. I'm just gonna get my fork in here. Look at all that goodness. Oh man, that is phenomenal. That is awesome, guys. Look at that, juicy. And check this out, just shreds right apart. Oh, baby. That's awesome. I'm gonna bring you back for the grand finale, guys. All right, guys, that's it. An awesome, amazing pork butt. I mean, the bone it came right out, completely clean, awesome. That's how you know you have a perfectly cooked pork butt. And obviously, if it pulls apart really good, but this is what we got, and it just turned out. I haven't pulled it all yet, just a little bit, but I am gonna go to town on this puppy here in a minute. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to check all the videos that will be popping up everywhere and check the iCard as well. With that being said, this is a great cook, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.